In this video, I'm going to be showing you where the voice effects are on TikTok. So you might be confused as to where exactly it is and how you apply the different voice effects. So once you've loaded up TikTok, just tap on that plus icon at the bottom in the center to create a new TikTok video. That'll open up the TikTok camera, and then you just need to select the length of your TikTok video that you want to record. I'll just select 15 seconds for this example, then I'll hit the record button. And I will record a quick TikTok video, 5 seconds or so. So that's 1 second remaining, and that's it. I let go of the record button. Now to get to the voice effects, just tap on this tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and then you'll notice it says voice effects right over there. If you tap on voice effects, it's going to open up all the effects like chipmunk, baritone, mic, and the most popular one right now, which is the echo effect. So you might want to use the echo effect. Just tap on it. Just tap on it like that, and it will make the sound echoey. Then you can just go back and continue editing your TikTok. Hit the plus at the bottom right hand corner when you're done. Tap on the next at the bottom right hand corner, and then just post your TikTok video. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.